Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, once again I welcome you to my academic IELTS reading video, labeling a diagram. I'm going to teach you how to label a diagram. So here we have the diagram and you can see questions are 23, 24, 25 and 26. Now two words are mentioned, kitchen and fruit trees. So what you need to do in the diagram, you need to find the word kitchen. And usually whenever we have the diagram, the questions and passage, they are in the same order, right? So we just need to see, and by the way, question number 23, there are 3 items or items in a row, and if it is the kitchen, it means this is a house. This is the kitchen, this is the room, and then fruit trees and all that, okay? In diagram, by the way, prepositions are very important. So let's take a start with 23 because first 23 answer will come, then 24 and then all that. The rural village of this situated high in the hills of southern Mexico, inhabited by people descendants from the ancient men's. The village on this areas are unique and interesting in terms of a typical house. Now, be alert. A typical house, right? So they say a typical house has only 2 rooms. One large room which serves as both a living room and a bedroom and a small kitchen. Now we understand this is a large room which serves as both a living room and a bedroom. So this is a living room and a bedroom. We understand that. Now let's see what is this. As a small kitchen leading off this room. Now it's leading off the room. A typical home would have a row of beds along one wall. See that? Row of beds along one wall. This is a wall. This is a row of beds. See that? 1, 2, 3. It looks like bed now, huh? Let's make people sleep on the bed. So a row of, now 1, 2, 3. This is a row of beds. So the answer to question number 23 is row of beds. Remember that? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Okay, row of beds. Along one wall. Alright, this is the wall and this is row of bed. And 3 or 4 chairs in the middle. 1, 2, 3. Fourth is not given, so it said or. 3 or 4. So these are chairs. I'm just telling you. There is no question. 3 or 4 chairs in the middle of the room from which the family can watch the television. Where the hell is television? So this is television. See that? But you will not write TV. You are supposed to write the television they have written, and it's no more than 2 words. So you can write the, this is optional word. Otherwise you will write television. Only TV will be wrong. Okay? Enjoying? Now in the kitchen in the corner, they have 2 things. Okay? Let's see what is there actually. So in the kitchen, there is an open fire in the center. Now this center is fire. See that? In the kitchen, there is an open fire in the center of the room. A bench for grinding corn. This is a bench for grinding corn, right? A bench for grinding corn and 2 large storage bins. See that? 2 large storage bins. Now what's the question type? No more than 3 words. If you write 2 large storage bins, that means 1, 2, 3, 4 words. So if you write storage bins, that is correct. If you write 2 storage bins, that is correct. If you write large storage bins, that is also correct. So these are 2 storage bins. Okay, enjoying? Me too. Okay, by the way, this is for question number 25. Alright, then they say fruit trees. Now the next clue word is fruit trees, and outside that 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm enjoying, huh? Then they say 2 large storage bins in the corner. A wide variety of crops are cultivated on the surrounding land, including herbs, near the kitchen. So there must be some herbs here which are not shown near the kitchen. And fruit trees beyond this, I told you. And fruit trees beyond this. Now we need to see beyond fruit trees. What is it? On the outer edge of the property. Now this is the outer edge. Wow, outer edge as they pronounce it sometimes. So on the outer edge of the property, the family would grow sugar cane. 1, 2, 3, 4. All these are actually sugar cane. So the answer to question number 26 is sugar cane. Right? So, happy now? I'm doing it all for you, and I dedicate this video to you guys who are actually watching this video. That's all, guys. I love you very much and I care for you, and I'm really thankful to you that you watch my videos. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.